Did you get that? That's the sound we're doing today. The sound, shh, beautiful sound in English. Shh, 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 shh. Hush, hush, shh, shh. I love the sound. Shh. I love the sound. Shh. Every time I hear the sound, I make the sound. Shh, 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 shh. If you are a first language user of English, it will seem so simple for you. But the second language users of English, producing that sound could be very, very, very hard. So, in this segment, we always play with sound. I am not a teacher, I am not a lecturer, I am a pronunciation coach. And I always say this, you cannot lecture someone to speak English well, you can only coach the person to speak English well. So this is my advice for you. Play with the sounds. Repeat the sounds as often as possible. Put it into a rhythm, a melody. Do whatever that excites you with the sound. Play with it. Shh, 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 shh. And the more you play with the sounds, the more the sounds become easy to produce. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Peter Piper, a pronunciation coach. Please, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell by the side of the subscribe button. It is a notification bell that tells you whenever I have a new video. Thanks for watching.